Okay, actually now it's kind of working. So you can see the lights. If I press the button, the lights kind of turn on like a little bit, but very faint. Sometimes it doesn't even work. Hello everyone. So today we have the Nintendo Wii controller. Here the issue, I almost know for sure what it is, but I'll show you. Is that it doesn't work. So let's put some batteries and you will see what is the actual issue. So like this and like that, and if I press home, okay, actually now it's kind of working. So you can see the lights. If I press the button, the lights kind of turn on like a little bit, but very faint. Sometimes it doesn't even work. And the reason for this, if you come here to the back, you can see over here it's very it starts to get with rust. Not sure. Let me take the batteries. Not sure what if you can see it, but yeah, over here is quite not that bad, but mostly it's right over here, like over there. It's full of kind of rust. So I believe that if we clean this, probably it will work much better. So to take off this part here, actually you don't need to disassemble anything inside of the controller. This just kind of pops up. It's a bit tricky to pull it out, but I will show you. I have another video where I fully disassemble the controller, so if you want to see how to fully disassemble the controller, you can check this other video. But if it's specifically for cleaning, this I see that it has rust over here and over there, but from this other side, here everything looks good. If you would need to take these ones from this side, from the bottom side, then you would need to disassemble the controller. But for this one, you don't need. You just need to push here this part because it's kind of hard. So let's try to get it out. I'll see if I will manage to pull it out, because down there, here in the middle, these metal connectors, they have some small hinge, let's say, that it holds here in the plastic in the back part. So if I will try to pull it out, you will be able to see it at some point. So yeah, so usually I just fit it in and try to slide it up like this, and that's it. So you can see here in the middle you have this kind of hinge that sometimes it's a bit more. Let me see how usually it is. It's like a bit more to the inside, like that, and this holds here in some plastic. I'm not sure if you will be able to see that there in the middle. You can see over there, it holds there in place. So for now, how to clean these? Here, you can see it's full of rust over here. So you can try to use some IPA. You can try to basically with the tweezers kind of scratch it to see if it helps. As well, I have this pen. This is carbon. Not sure if it's called carbon fiber, but I'll put all the links of everything that I used here in the description of the video, so you will be able to buy this and to clean it. So usually what I do first, I will use here some thin something screwdriver. So I will try to scratch like most of the big pieces, and then I will use here this pen to clean more deep, because this usually gets stuck on the metal, and then sometimes it doesn't allow connectivity here, because what does connectivity usually is this part over here that does connectivity with the battery. So sometimes what it helps is when you have the battery, I'm not sure if it's like, I guess it's like this, is then when you twist the battery, then you get contact. So sometimes when you twist, it might help to have contact. And I think it was how I found out that this was the issue. It was because I just twisted the batteries and saw that then it would have connectivity. So let's do it a bit more. Over here, I try to do bit by bit. This spring, you can take it, but then it will be kinda hard to put it in, because you can see here this spring, it has here some long metal that fits inside of this over here, this part. So I guess I will not take it out. I'll try just to clean the most as I can, and then go from there. And you can see already here a lot of pieces. So let's scratch all of these. I'll probably fast forward. Okay, so I did clean it, I think most of it. As you can see, it's kinda, here in some places not very easy to clean. I took this spring over here, not the spring, but this, yeah, kind of this spring from here, from the place, so we can put it back again, so it holds now in place. As well here, okay, we still have here a little bit, so sometimes we need to kind of scratch it, and sometimes it's not, doesn't even gets fully perfect, you know. Let's see if we can take the most of it. Sometimes just some small cleaning is enough. As well, this is coated with this shiny metallic thing, so if the rust goes under it, then it's much harder to clean. So I think here it went already under it, so it might not become like totally, in some places it will not get totally white, as here in the back you can see it gets this yellowish thing, but it's not a problem because this is conductive as well. I might try to see if I can get some other kind of tool that will clean this better. I guess if I had this electric some electric drill, it could be cleaned much quicker, but I don't have it, so I needed to do it by hand, and probably not in the cleanest way. So you can see a lot of scratches over here, but I guess it does the job. So as well, we can clean it a bit with IPA if you have it. Like this should be enough. like it is currently, but if you have some IPA, isopropanol, you can use it. I guess it does help as well, at least. Let's see if maybe it doesn't even stay anything here. Nah, it doesn't even get anything. But well, usually I use it for a lot of cleaning in electronic stuff. So I guess that's it. So let's mount these again. Let's clean here the most I can here, because this is the main contacts. So it's not perfect, but I think it will work. Since I don't have the proper tools. In some places you can see still the rust, but I think it might be fine. So let's mount this again. So here, this back part, you can put it back to hold in place, but if I needed to take it off, I'll leave it like straight like this to be easier to take it out. So here as well, it's some dirt. Let's clean these. From the bottom part, I think everything looks quite okay. And let's mount it. So to mount it, it's just slide it in again, and it should go. Wonder it was, I think it was like that. Okay, so like this, I did push this one here a little bit, so we need to press it down like that. It will now fit in. Okay, as you can see, it does fit. Still not happy a little bit with over here. Some of this brownish stuff. Prefer to clean it fully to have full contact. Let's clean over here a little bit more. Thing is that here probably sometimes it's not even, since this coat, white coat, disappears, then it becomes this brownish all the time, brownish yellow. So let's try again. Let's put the batteries this side and in that side, and now let's see. Probably it's still working because it was working before. Yeah, so you can see it blinks. Now it blinks more strongly, as you can see. Yeah, before it was more fainted, so probably it didn't have so much connectivity here. So what I meant with rolling the batteries is when you're rolling, you get more contact there in the back. This is how you clean this contact. If you, like I said, if you need to clean the bottom contact as well, you need to fully disassemble, because this is connected to the board itself, and to clean you need to take off this. Of course you can, if you see that it's dirty over here, just with rust here and here, you can try to clean those from here without opening it. But if you see that it doesn't have, if you see that there is rust and it doesn't turn on, might be that under the plastic it has more rust and you cannot reach it from here. So I saw that in the other day I was putting the batteries, and it was not even lighting up. So only when I rolled, then it started to lighten. So, and eventually when you start to see rust, try to clean it right away. Otherwise it might get worse and worse. So this one, it's actually a pretty easy fix. I already had in mind that this was easy to fix. So this is how you usually clean the controllers. If you want me to show how to clean this one, just put in the comments, but check my other video where I fully disassemble, so you can see. I'll put it here, and you will be able to see how to fully disassemble just to clean these ones as well. So hope this was helpful for someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.